look how pretty this is. I mean, I know we ended last time off with this, but like, just look at the sun. So, hi everybody, and welcome back. Wow, Star, that was a long howl. And welcome back to Wolf Quest 3, where we are here with Shadow and Star and Mist, Twilight. No, both of you in. The pups seem to be like, Mom, Dad, why are we in this new place? It's because you kept getting attacked. So will she follow us? Star has like a loner personality, I think. Yeah, there we go. So it is a bit hard to tell when she's gonna come with us or not. Okay, we can probably take that one way. But let's actually head for those elk carcasses. I don't think they'll be there, but she found us. Oh yeah, good. I was like, Star, where are you? Yeah, but last time we moved our pups and nothing attacked us, but also last time a bear? Oh, elk. Never mind. Oh, it's a bull. It's okay. Oh wow, this one's weak anyways. Shadow seems just like really good at finding yeah, Star. Okay, and we almost took him down, and he'll have more meat than a female would. Sweet! Nice job, Shadow! And Star got a few bites on that. Yeah, but this is so close to home that, you know, we're good. Now we can just walk back over to home and go feed our pups. We hardly had to go anywhere. Yeah, because the den's just right over here. We had to go for a little bit, but we're fine now. And hi guys. Oh, I like how Midnight's waiting. Let's call everyone out. Here, Twilight. Yeah, so everyone's pretty hungry because we didn't really have any food. But now we're gonna give them some food. And actually, look at that, guys. Oh, wait, never mind. She's on there. Yeah. So, I'm just actually going to pause it, while I talk about, like, what Shadow's goals are. So, Shadow really wants to take down the Prospect Peak pack, because, whoa, I'm paused, but he wants to take down the Prospect Peak pack because, you know, they kicked him out of their pack. Like, what the heck? And actually, let's check our pups' progress. And Midnight is actually almost 10 pounds. Well, Twilight is lagging behind, but at least she is full. Alright. So I think Shadow won't be as, like, you have to stay close to the den now that, we've moved dens, but he's not gonna, like, completely be like, oh yeah, go wherever we want. He's gonna still keep an eye on everyone. She's playing with everyone. She almost never does that. Maybe she thinks one person in charge is enough. Hi, Mars. Okay, as long as Saturn stays close. Saturn, that's not close, buddy. Yeah, I know you want to go play with the stick, but play with the stick over here. Let's actually eat. Oh. Where's that chunky? Oh, we had it there for a sec. There we go. Oh, sure, give Dawn some food, but Umbra, you gotta stay closer than that. Umbra, she seems adventurous, but like, I don't know. I think she's actually gonna go eat the food that that Star dropped over there, but oh, don't pick it up. Alright, there we go. Twilight, you don't need to follow Star all the time, you know. Elk herd! Everyone inside. Oh wait, that's it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. Umbra. That's too far. I was like, wait, I only count 6. Umbra, what part of get in the den do you not understand? Okay, and let's go hunt the elk herd that's actually right by our home, Star. Okay, yep, now she's gonna come. And let's just go over. I believe that carcass, oh yeah, I was like, and I believe that carcass will actually still be there. Not as low as okay. Wait, Star. Where's the one that? Ooh, that one? Wait, where actually is that carcass? I think it's right here. No, that's raw. Ah, well. The elk herd went this way not too long ago. We'll have to sprint a bit though, because they do run fast. There we go. This one's at the back of the herd. I think it's actually the same one that we were hunting. There's a fox in the background. Whoa! Okay. Alright. Yeah, Star doesn't really seem like a hunter. Maybe not of the bigger animals. She actually, Star I think is more of like a finisher. Like, if we slow them down, she'll go for the neck and get like the final blow. So yeah, they're living in luxury right now. The only problem that they have is territory. Okay, we're actually going to mark this. We can take those away. Okay, there. So now we've marked that, and let's go back to the den, and get some much needed rest. And also, it will help the puppies grow because midnight is almost to 10 pounds. And we're getting closer and closer to 15, you guys. I really can't believe how close we are. So let's drop that here. Mars, can you get in the den, buddy? Oh, wait. Okay, Mars, get in the den. Mars, you don't get special treatment. Star, you wanna play? Star, you're in a very weird position on the hill. You okay? Okay, there. I think she was stuck, maybe. Star, you okay? Maybe let's roll over. Okay, there. There we go. We got a howl out of her. Yeah, she really... Yeah, she seems like a loner. But I think Shadow's okay with that. He likes her the way she is. Let's see if she reacts to any of this. I think right now she's just on watch. Maybe she's on edge. Maybe something made her nervous. I don't know. But let's go to sleep with the pups in the den, you know, while we can before, the flea infestation builds up too much, because, you know, I think that's pretty bad. And he's dreaming a lot about moose. Wow, these are really pretty. He's having a lot of dreams tonight. Okay, so let's eat this, and then we can feed everyone. They're not that hungry, and let's actually really quick check their progress. Okay, wow, so Midnight is 10.3 pounds. Yeah, good. Everyone come out. There you go, missed. 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 I don't want anyone to get pushed around now. Midnight really seems to want food. Sun, stay close. I'll give you all your own food piles here. Star, come over here to give them food pile. Oh, that's a bone. I was like, what is that? Alright, there's Midnight. Oh, Umbra was just tasting her tail. Okay, and everyone's about full, so... And affinity's high, so... Let's actually... okay. I think we can let our territory go for... one more. Let's just play right now. For one more round of, like, sleep. Then let's go. So, hi, Saturn. We need to get closer to the den. And let's go sleep again. No? No. Yeah, that's what I thought. I was like, I see those coyotes. Star, Mars, get in the den. Okay, everyone's in. Now we give chase. And yeah, they're not getting away this time. Buddy. We're getting at least one of you. Yeah. I see the other one too. I'm gonna try and keep track of them as much as I can. There's 3? No. Yeah, you're not taking out Pups. Yeah, good. Star knows. Yeah. Bye, coyotes. Bye. We can't run anymore. We still need to keep Okay, this is gonna be this one's last day. Yeah, you made a big mistake. Yeah, you made a big mistake. Now we're going for a second one. Yeah, you try to attack our den? Yeah, this isn't okay. You're going bye-bye if you attack our den. One of them split off from his friend, so he was smart, and now we're in Prospect Peak. Let's see. That one was able to get away too, but to Shadow, Prospect Peak is more important than a coyote. And now we're running. Wait, I think we just passed it. Okay, yeah, it's up here. Yeah, just while we're here, might as well. And actually, how far? Okay, so we actually went pretty far, and this is actually ours now. So that one didn't take a lot of work. And let's get back to the den. I think he'd be worried. He gave chase to the coyotes, but let's see. He's leaving a lot of carcasses around, but I think that's a good sign. Rabbit. That's a good sign, rabbit. It's a good sign that they're actually doing well. Yeah, Star doesn't seem to want the rabbit, so we're just gonna eat it. And let's get back to the, I think the den's this way. Yeah, let's get back to the den, and we can go to sleep, and yeah, so, I feel like every something attacks our den every episode. And let's just hunt a mule deer, maybe. It's not very weak, but... Oh, come on, Star. Okay, good. We each got a leg. Come on, Star. Okay, yeah, we're too tired. Let's just go back to the den. Yeah, because, yeah, I think he just want to get back to his pups. They're probably super worried that, like, because, I mean, something attacked them, and then their dad stood, I mean, Mars was right there, but I think I've figured out something to keep everything away while everyone's going into the den. It's like, you know, because if you stand right there, the coyotes can't get to them. So, ooh, bunny. I'm not. Okay, and let's leave this one for Star. Star, you can have it. Yeah, she was like, yummy, thank you. Yeah, so we're gonna go to sleep. Umbra, get in the den. Umbra, what part of get in the den do you not understand? Umbra. Umbra, come on. And we're gonna go to sleep because, you know, and then I think after he dreams and dreams, his lovely dreams of Bison killing his pups in darkness, that was sad. He seems so worried about his pups. We're actually going to end. It's night now. Yeah, so please like and subscribe if you can, and join us as we continue with the next step of Shadow's adventure. Nature Wolf